welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the custom pair of Vans that I got for my birthday. They finally came in the mail and I'm super excited to be opening them for you guys. This is the package and it says Vans, and I got my box cutter, my handy dandy box cutter in it. I'm just going to be opening it. I'm so excited to see them. I already see them. Look, there's like a little pouch in there. Okay. So, first there is a paper with the shoes and my order. Okay, I'm not going to show you guys my address because, yeah, I don't want you guys to know. Because why would I show you guys my address? You don't need to know that. Yeah, this is just the paper of what I got and everything like that and all that jazz. But let's just open them already. And I also got this like little card thing, and it just says Custom Vans XU. Okay, now for the actual shoes. They come, oh my god, I'm sorry about that. So they come in this really cute bag. It's like a little cloth bag, and let's see how they look. They're wrapped in this Vans paper. They're so cute. Oh my god, I'm excited for these. Look at them. So I got mine with the checkered on the like bottom of it, and it has these sunflowers on the top and on the sides and all around, and I got black right here, and then I got a white trimming. They look so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to wear these to school. Now it is time to try them on. They fit, fingers crossed, because I really like these. They're perfect. Look at how good they fit too. Well, I got them in a size 7.5 and they actually fit super good. I was like kind of worried that they would be a little bit big, but I have some room to grow and I really want to keep these forever, so that's a good thing. Now, time for a montage. All I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below. Also, I hope that you guys think that my custom Vans are really cute. I think that they're super cute and I'm really excited to wear these to school and just anywhere in general. So I hope you guys like this video. See you in my next video. Bye.